So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Vodafone Idea Share. So we know that in the last trading session, the stock has performed very well and it has given almost 10% positive momentum, and many people had queries related to the technicals, whether they can buy this particular stock for short term, that is either for swing or positional. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis, and also we'll try to discuss what are the major updates which are running around the company which made the stock rally 10% in the previous sessions. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so when we go to the app that I've discussed earlier, that is Stock Edge app, so there we do the delivery analysis followed by any technicals if you want to see for any particular stock, that also you can discuss. So all these details have explained in secondary channel Stocks Diary Education. So if you have not yet subscribed that particular channel, definitely you can subscribe it so that you'll get some stock market educational videos. So in this particular app, once you go to Vodafone Idea and once you click on updates, so we'll see what are the major updates that are running around. And we know recently also an update was released related to partnership with Cisco for developing the 5G network for retail. And apart from that, we also know the results of Vodafone Idea are yet to be declared. So on that particular note itself, the stock is also looking a little attractive near the basic levels of 10 rupees region. So whatever the 5G theme which is running around the market, so we have discussed various stocks. So make sure you're putting those particular stocks into radar as well, because in the coming future, so 5G is going to be one such segment which will have some very good demand. And if you're searching for stock specific, already have made separate videos. And if you want a dedicated video on what are the list of stocks that we can buy, so that also I'll try to update so that you will also have the complete clarity. So these are the major things that are running around. So one thing is related to quarter result, and I think it was also in FNO ban and it was also released from that particular ban. So completely all these things made the stock rally almost 10% on Friday. So now coming to technical wise, whether we can do any sort of swing trade is one biggest question. So we'll go to technical charts and we'll try to find out the region where the stock is facing the support and what would be the target. Okay, so when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Vodafone Idea, so you can see on 25th June, we have seen 37.6% deliveries, and you can see traded quantity has also increased because of the volatility that was seen in the stock. We know almost it has approached 12% in that particular region it was trading. So again, you can see it has closed with almost 11% positive momentum. And if you see percentage wise also, it stands at a very good region of 37.6. So on an average basis, we see 40 to 45% delivery. So that is pretty decent. Okay. So now when we see the technicals, these are going to be very important. So try to analyze on a larger time frame. So when we are doing any swing trade, so larger whatever view, that is also very, very important. So now let's go to charts and we'll discuss all the levels. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Vodafone Idea. So when you see the chart itself, so clearly you will get an idea that it is traveling in a particular range. So if you see the base where it was taking respect earlier, so that was roughly around 9 rupees. So in that particular region, the stock, when it has approached, so we have seen some very good momentum. So this is a weekly chart, and you can see currently it has closed above the 50-day exponential moving average, which was around 9.79. So if you do the back testing and if you go a little bit back, and if you see earlier also, whenever it has closed above 50-day moving average, how it has performed. So you can see earlier also when it has closed above that particular region, especially when it has come near the base region, we have seen some very good momentum in short term. So we can say for swing trade, this particular stock would be very much beneficial. And after giving a good momentum here in this particular region, especially near the 12.5 and 13 rupees region, there we have seen a little bit of profit booking that is based on back testing. So now since it is only near the 10.6 rupees region, so we can tell that in short term or any swing trade, so this particular stock would give some very good returns. So long term we can't justify that, so it depends upon how it reports the financials and the same way how the updates are running. So for short term it is looking very attractive on the weekly chart time frame. Okay, and if we go a little bit down and if we see the money flow index, so that is near 67. A sharp recovery was seen from the low levels. So after going to the 20 region, that is completely in oversold region, a sharp reversal was seen in MFI as well because of the buying momentum which was generated near the support region. So these are the major things on weekly time frame. So let's go to daily chart. So there also we'll see what are the levels. Okay, so when we go to the week daily chart time frame, so there you can see a back-to-back movement was seen. So this particular stock, when it gives some huge trend, it tries to correct, again goes up, again comes down, again goes there. So it is we can say a little bit of volatile stock, so that we can clearly understand, but it travels in a very good swing. So as I told, even if you take entry at the current levels also, and if you hold it for let's say 1 week, so definitely you may see some very good momentum, and in swing trade you may get some benefit. So that depends upon market condition also. If market is in little volatile condition, so stock also will try to fluctuate, so better to wait and watch. And if you see the 10 rupees level, which is a very crucial support, so if it respects that, definitely you can take a trade, and for targets you can hold it for 12 rupees if some good volume is generated. So if you go a little bit down and if you see money flow is still in 56 in daily chart, so still that may also go up, and volumes also have increased in the previous session, so that is decent. And most importantly, coming to moving averages, basically we discussed two moving averages. So one is 50-day and second one is 200-day. So both of them again they're trying to approach closer to each other. So that is another technical indicator that we can see on chart where the stock made the stock is looking bullish. So these are the things that you need to focus. And technical wise also we have discussed what is the support region and resistive region. So if it respects that particular range, we may expect some very good momentum. So these are the things, and further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivID. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.